What's going on, YouTube? My name is Nate Tries to Trade, and today I took 2 losses in a row. So I was able to say, you know what? I'm not really seeing the market clearly, and I walked away for the rest of the day. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this red day recap. Looking at the daily, we've been pushing up pretty aggressively at all-time highs. The market just seems to not be doesn't have a lot of steam, it feels like. On the daily, it looks okay, but I don't know, it was a real rough day for me. I haven't been seeing the market clearly. But this is the first red day that I only had, if I remember right, I think I only had one red day last week, and otherwise the rest were green. Yesterday I didn't trade at all. The market just wasn't moving anywhere, and I didn't see a ton of volume, so I just decided to call it quits for the day. I mean, I maybe looked at the market for 10 minutes or so, and then I was like, you know what, I'm not really feeling it. So let's jump into the 1 minute here so I can kind of break down what I saw. Overall, we've been kind of sideways, just kind of chopping around with no clear direction up until this point. I really didn't start watching the market until 9:30. I usually start watching it around 9 or 9:45, I guess. I'm sorry. We see this push up into VWAP and then a rejection, and you know, at this point on the day, I could either see it going up or down. So I just kind of waited for it to see what it would do. I had to walk away from the chart, and when I came back, we were already up past VWAP. So, you know, I'm thinking, you know, we're going to get pushed down and bounce off VWAP, which we did. So I went for a long at this flat bottom candlestick here, and I put my stop loss right here, right below this candlestick. So we pushed up a little bit, came back down, and it knocked me out. And I'm like, okay, maybe this is just another continuation to the downside, because we kind of have this little bit of a push back up, you know. And I was on the wrong side of the trade on this next one. You know, I thought we were going to keep going lower. I shorted at the wick of this flat bottom candlestick, thinking we were going to continue a push down back below VWAP. Shame on me. That's not what happened at all. It came back up and stopped me out. You know, I was right in this first position. It just, the market needed to come back and touch VWAP again, and sometimes it does do that, sometimes it doesn't. But you know, the important thing is I was able to walk away. I didn't bother to make another trade. I didn't overtrade, so really I followed my plan. And I would have been right had I put my stop loss below the prior low here. But that doesn't really go with my plan. You know, that's taking on a little bit more risk than what I would like, and it goes against the entry model that I have. And this time the market just didn't work with me, and it didn't go in my favor. So it really is what it is, and it's not that big of a deal. It looks like for the rest of the day we kind of stayed in this area here, and now we're starting to push new highs. And it wasn't my day. I wasn't reading the market clearly, and it is what it is. Two red days, or two back-to-back red trades on the board, and I am done for the day. So overall, we are down $1,521, which again is totally fine. Since it's only Monday, we'll look at the whole month. So on the month, we're still green, 2,700 with fees and commissions. We are back in the red. I don't know if you watched my recap from last week, but we were green about $100. So it is what it is. I'm excited to get back on the chart tomorrow. I mean, last week was amazing, right? We had 6 losing trades, actually 3 losing trades. We had 9 winning trades, and we had a 75% win to loss ratio. Our average winning trade is way over our average losing trade. So I know it works. I know my entry system here works. So I'm just going to keep doing what I'm doing. Hopefully yesterday we're green on the week again, and I can have some better news for us then. But until then, I did want to take a moment and thank everybody again for so much support. When I started posting on YouTube, I really did it for myself as like a trading journal, and also to learn a new skill. I have been getting a ton of support. Maybe you're in the same boat I am, just kind of testing some things out before you go into live money, because I am currently trading on demo. Come back to the market tomorrow with fresh eyes and take it a step at a time and go from there. And if you enjoyed the video, you'd be doing me a huge favor if you could hit the like button, maybe hit the subscribe button so you can follow me on my journey to becoming a profitable trader. And again, if anybody has any suggestions, please feel free to drop them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you tomorrow. Bye.